Have you ever thought about what would actually happen if you ate just 3 canned sardines every day for 4 days straight? Not as a diet trend, but as a real experiment inside your body. Because these tiny fish are far more powerful than most people realize, especially when it comes to brain, energy, and inflammation. And by the end of this video, you might never look at canned sardines the same way again. Benefit number 1. A strong omega-3 boost. When you eat sardines daily, you're giving your body a direct supply of omega-3 fats like EPA and DHA. These fats don't just support health in a general sense, they actually become part of your cell membranes. That means every cell in your body starts to function differently at a structural level. The brain especially relies on DHA to maintain communication between neurons. And the heart uses omega-3s to support smoother, more balanced function. What's interesting is that sardines are low on the food chain, so they tend to accumulate fewer toxins than larger fish. This makes them a cleaner source of marine fats compared to many common seafood options. Even within a few days, your body begins to receive a noticeable shift in fatty acid intake. Think of it as upgrading the quality of fuel your cells run on. Benefit number 2. Better fuel for your brain. Your brain is made up of nearly 60% fat, and a large portion of that depends on DHA. Sardines deliver this in a highly bioavailable form your body can actually use efficiently. Along with that, you also get vitamin B12, selenium, and choline, all crucial for nervous system health. These nutrients don't act like stimulants, they act like structural support. They help maintain focus, memory, and mental clarity at a deeper level. Many people notice that nutrient-dense meals feel more satisfying mentally than processed foods. This isn't psychological, it's your brain responding to real raw materials it needs. From a Dr. Berg-style perspective, it's about feeding the brain what it's built from. Over just a few days, you're consistently supplying those foundational nutrients. Benefit number 3. A quick B12 recharge. Just 3 sardines can provide a significant amount of vitamin B12. This vitamin is essential for red blood cell formation and oxygen transport. It also plays a key role in nerve signaling throughout the body. When B12 is low, people often feel tired, foggy, or low in motivation. The tricky part is that this deficiency can build up slowly over time. Unlike caffeine, B12 doesn't give you a sudden boost you can feel instantly. Instead, it supports the systems that produce energy naturally. That's why real improvements feel subtle but meaningful over time. In a short 4-day period, you're consistently reinforcing that energy pathway. Benefit number 4. Bone support in a small can. One of the most overlooked parts of sardines is that you eat the bones. Those bones are a natural source of calcium in a highly usable form. But calcium alone is not enough for strong bones. You also need phosphorus to build bone structure properly. And vitamin D plays a role in how calcium is absorbed and regulated. Sardines conveniently contain all of these in one small food source. This creates a complete nutritional package, rather than isolated nutrients. Your body tends to handle food-based nutrients more efficiently than supplements. It's a simple but powerful combination for skeletal support. Benefit number 5. You naturally eat less without trying. This effect is often noticed very quickly in real life. Sardines are extremely rich in protein and healthy fats. Both of these nutrients are known to increase satiety signals in the body. That means your brain gets the message that you are full faster. As a result, cravings for processed snacks often decrease naturally. You're not forcing yourself to eat less, it just happens more smoothly. Blood sugar tends to stay more stable after nutrient-dense meals like this. And stable blood sugar is directly linked to fewer cravings and less overeating. Over a few days, many people notice a calmer, more controlled appetite overall. And now, I'm going to share my experience with sardines and why they became a permanent part of my diet. Honestly, I never thought sardines would become one of my favorite foods. At first, I was a little skeptical about their taste and texture. But after giving them a real chance, my opinion completely changed. What surprised me most was how nutritious they are. They are packed with high-quality protein that keeps me feeling full for hours. I also discovered that sardines are rich in omega-3 fatty acids. That means they support heart health and overall well-being. Another thing I love is that they are incredibly convenient. I can enjoy them straight from the can or add them to different meals. They pair well with salads, sandwiches, and even rice dishes. I noticed that including sardines regularly helped me make healthier food choices. They are affordable, which makes them easy to keep in my weekly meal plan. Unlike many processed foods, sardines provide real nutritional value. I appreciate that they contain important vitamins and minerals like vitamin D and calcium. Over time, they became more than just a healthy option. They became a habit. Today, sardines are a permanent part of my diet, and I genuinely enjoy eating them. If you haven't tried them yet, they might surprise you the way they surprised me. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to like channel to follow all new